the first aid. We started with that, and how to maintain ourselves, how to be healthier, how to be safer, how to go outside, how to be outside, how we have to pass the road, how we have to walk in the road, walk on the road. About that all things we studied. Yes, we studied about that all things. Now we finished off the exercise also. I told you so many exercise, question and answers we completed. Is it? We completed the question and answers also. Now the next is our worksheet. What we'll solve now? Today we'll solve the worksheet, children. All of you open page number, the worksheet page, okay? Worksheet 2. What we'll solve? Worksheet 2. This is linked to the chapters 5 to 9. This is linked to the chapter 5 to 9. They given us some of the questions and they given a fill in the blanks. Question and answers, I think they given. No, they are not given the question and answers. They mentioned only the grammar part. Okay. We'll start with that. Today we'll start with the worksheet. Before we start, what we have to do, children? We have to pray. Okay. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay. The first question. Name the following. What we have to do? Name the. I'm writing everything. First one. A large house with a lawn. The large house with a lawn, garden and the swimming pool. Everything will be there. Now that is called as a what, children? Bungalow. What is that? That is a bungalow. We finished now our house. A large house with a lawn is dash bungalow. Second one, a house in a multi-stored building. A house in a multi-stored building. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ ಹೌಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಮನಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅದ್ರ ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮನಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅಂತವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್. That is called as a house in a multi-stored building is called flat. Is called flat. Third one, a snow house. A snow house is called as a igloo. In the snowfall areas, they prepare the house now with the ice and they prepare with the bricks. Only the bricks. They will not use the cements and all because there too much of cold will be there. What will make them to get heat? That type of materials they will do. Okay, they will prepare that type of a houses. A snow house. A snow house. What is that? Igloo. Fourth one, a house on wheels. A house on wheels. Caravans. Caravans. Okay. What is that? A house with a wheels. That one place ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು place ಗೆ travel ಆಕಾವ. ಈ type of houses ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ like for example actors use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ travelers. They love to travel now. Who love to travel now? They will take these type of buses. That is called as a caravans. Okay. It is like a car only, but there everything will be there. Their bedroom will be there, dining hall will be there, kitchen room will be there, toilet, bathroom, everything will be there, but that is on the wheels. That is on the wheels. A house wheels. That is called as a what, children? Fifth one, a house made up of a canvas ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ tent. We use it in the farmhouses, resort and in the jungle areas. There we use what? Tents. A house that is made up of what? Canvas. That is made up of canvas. Made of canvas. That is tent. Okay. First answer is a large house with a lawn is called as a bungalow. A house in a multi-stored building is called as a flat. A snow house is called as a igloo. A house on wheels is called as a caravans. A house made up of canvas is called as a tent. These are the answers of your fill in the blanks. The name the following they given that is the answers of first main. Copy this one. Involve your last one. We'll move on to the next one now. Second main, B part. B part. Fill in the blanks. First one. We should not dash on public property such as walls of building. We don't have to scribble like posting a picture or making a scribbling there, writing something there or drawing there. That will be not we have to do because it is a public property. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. When we are going outside, when we are walking outside, that time we don't have to destroy the public properties. Okay, the first one, we should not scribble on walls of building. Second one, we should not wipe dirty hands on cloths or curtains. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಡ 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 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ, ಬಡ ಬಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಾರ ಬರ್ಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಕರ್ಟನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಸ್ತೇವೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ towels, we have a hand wash, the napkins, we have to wash it to that. We have to clean with that, wipe with that. We should not wipe dirty hands on cloths or third one, we must brush our teeth dash a day. We must, how many times we have to brush our teeth, children? Twice a day. How many times? Twice a day. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಎದ್ಕೂಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬ್ರಷ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ಕೂಲೆ ನೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಏನೇನು ಹೊಲಸಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ಕೂಲೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ we ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾವ. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ germ free or else we get germ attack. Okay, we must brush our teeth fourth one, dash carry germs that can make us sick. Dash carries germs, flies like nona, cockroaches and house flyers and and mosquitoes. These are all what it contains for germs with them. Aven martava harkonta bandu huttad mele kodtava, we get what? Germ attack. Okay, so who? Flies. Loudly, जोर 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 ಧ್ವನಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾತ, ಜೋರ್ ಜೋರ್ ಚೀರೋದಾತ, ಹಲೋ 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 ಅನ್ನೋದ, ಹಾಯ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ, ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಚೀರೋದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಅದೇವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ? ವಿತ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಯ್, that's it. If you want to talk only, if you want to talk, then tell, invite them, come here only, or you only go there. But standing here and they are standing there, don't say hi loudly. Or don't talk loudly there only. That conversation make others to get disturbed. Because there in the bus, for example, I will take you in the bus only. ಬಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಪುಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಜೋರ್ ಜೋರ್ ಚಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ. They get what? Irritation. So we don't have to talk loudly. You should not okay, copy this one. All the fill in the blanks, please copy it. We'll move on to the next one, the third main. Circle the things that do not need water. The next is what? Circle the things that do not need water. Okay, next one. We'll move on to the next fifth main. Okay, fine. Finish. This all copied now, children. Okay, we'll move on to the third main now. Circle the things that do not need water. Which one don't need water? Ball. Okay, kite. Don't want water. Remaining all want water, because living things want water, non-living things don't want water. So you only do that. Okay, that will be too easy. I will not write that. Next one, tick correct the object that make the air dirty. Which makes the air dirty? Plant makes? No. Car makes? Yes. And which one? Factory makes. That what all fog they will get now, what all air in the air, what all comes now, that all will be pollute our air. Okay. Next one, we'll move on to the E. Write E for the true statement, F for the false statement. Okay. The first question, air occupies space. Air occupies space. Air occupies space. Yes. Air occupies the space. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗುಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ನಾಗ ಏನಾರ ಏರ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಏರಿನ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ತಂಪಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಂಪು ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಶಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶಕೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Second one, we should not lean on a balcony. We should not lean a balcony railing. Balcony that will be too dangerous. ನೀವೇನೋ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಏನಾರ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆತಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will get fall off. So true. Third one, we should not close to the swing. We should not stand. We should stand. Okay, we should not, they are not telling, we should, they are telling, close to a swing. No, we should not stand near the swing because we get injuries. Because swing ಚೌಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ತುಕ್ಕೋತೈತಿ ಜೋರ್ ಬಂದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಯರ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ನಮ್ಗ ಅದ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂತೈತಿ. So we have to stand far from that. Okay. Fourth one, we should wait for a train to pass at the railway crossing. ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಕತ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to wait until that passing finish. Okay. ಅದರ ಅಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ನಾವೇನಾರ ಮೂವ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ we get injuries. Okay. We should wait for the train to pass at the railway crossing. Yes, true it is. We have to wait. Next one, fifth one, clean air smells like a fruit and flowers. No, clean air don't have any smell only. The clean air don't have any smell. Clean air, the last one, clean air false. Okay. Next one, smoke makes the air impure. No, smoke makes the air impure. Impure they are telling. Pure they are not telling. Impure they are telling. Yes, it makes the air impure. So the statement is true, children. Okay, and that I am not writing. The last one you only write it. Okay, only true. Answer will be the true. These all you have to copy it in your classwork. Worksheet today we finished off the worksheet 2. Okay. Please copy it in your classwork. After completing all the chapters answers, last one you have to write the heading worksheet and write it down. Okay, children? Complete. Will you complete it neatly? We'll meet you in the next class then. Okay? Complete all the things. We'll see you in the next class, children. Bye.